Hello everybody, my name is Fabien Mareuil and I work at the Computational Department at the Institut Pasteur. Thank you for watching this presentation of AriaWeb, a new web service for automated NMR structure calculation with Aria. AriaWeb is a web platform for the standalone software Aria. The Aria software package automates the treatment of NMR data and calculation of three-dimensional protein structure. In an iterative manner, Aria automatically assigns nuclear over other enhancement crosspeaks and converts them into distant restraints in order to compute structure ensembles by molecular dynamics simulation. This software is well established in the structural NMR community. However, the usage of Aria can be limited by the complexity of its installation and the sophistication of the configuration and execution tasks. It is parallelizable, but the iterative protocol in Aria requires access to a computer cluster to reduce execution time. We wanted to improve the user experience for Aria and provide a larger access to automated NMR structure calculations procedures. So we have developed the Aria web server to guide users through the different stages required for NMR structure determination. The Aria web server uses the Django web application and the Galaxy server that handles the execution of the Aria jobs on a computer cluster. The Aria web server is accessible with or without authentication at the URL ariaweb.pasteur.fr. So, the first step is to convert data into the Aria XML format because there are several formats to store NOA and chemical shift information. After creating a new project, you can start a data conversion project. To perform an Aria calculations, you will need first the sequence of the molecular chains composing the molecule. Secondly, one or more list of assigned chemical shift, and thirdly, one or more list of NOA crosspeaks. You can find some example data directly in the interface and the demo button to load a complete example. For NOA and chemical shifts, AriaWeb supports several formats: XEZ, Sparky, NMRView, and Hansing. When the data are loaded, you can start your conversion task. When the conversion job is finished, you can download an archive with the converted data ready to be used or initialize a structure calculation directly within the main project space. Structure calculation on AriaWeb is designed to guide the user through the main categories of parameters that need to be checked or specified. The four main categories are setup, with generic information on the project, data, with input data organized by their type, protocol, with parameters related to the Aria iterative protocol, and structure generation, with parameters related to the generation of structures with CNS. When you initialize a structure calculation from a data conversion job, mandatory input data are pre-filled and shown in the corresponding forms. When you have saved a structure calculation project, you can download an XML file readily usable or submit directly the Aria structure calculation job online. Both conversion project and structure calculation project are deported on the Galaxy Institut Pasteur server. When the structure calculation job is finished, you can download an archive containing the entire Aria run directory, or inspect results directly online with an interactive visualization dashboard. Structure ensembles generated by the server will be displayed interactively for all Aria iterations. You can directly visualize the average root mean square of NOA violations per residue. Green is a low RMS and red high. Or You can visualize the root mean square fluctuation of the generated ensemble in sausage representation. The radius is proportional to the RMSF. Such representations allow users to easily identify unconverged regions in the final structure ensemble or residues for which NOE-derived distance restraints are not consistent. There are also graphs and charts to present restraint statistics, ensemble RMSD, or color-coded structure quality scores. And additionally, a standardized table reporting various restraints and structural statistics is generated. A documentation is available directly on the ARIA web server, and a publication is also available to learn more about ARIA web. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have a question, don't hesitate.